Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a common problem that many users encounter when working on their devices. The problem we'll be tackling is the inconvenience of dealing with a slow and unresponsive computer. We all know how frustrating it can be when our computer takes ages to load applications or freezes at the worst possible moment. But fear not, because we have a solution that can help you address this pesky issue once and for all. Now, let's talk about the solution. The key to resolving a slow and unresponsive computer is to clear the cache regularly. By clearing the cache, you can remove temporary files that may be clogging up your system and causing it to slow down. This simple solution can have a significant impact on the performance of a computer and help it run more smoothly. So, remember to make a habit to clear your cache periodically to keep your system running efficiently. In addition to clearing the cache, another effective solution is to optimize your startup programs. Many applications automatically launch when you start your computer, which can contribute to a slow boot time. By disabling unnecessary startup programs, you can reduce the burden on your system and improve its overall performance. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how quickly your computer starts up and operates. In summary, if you're grappling with a slow and unresponsive computer, remember to regularly clear the cache and optimize your startup programs. These simple solutions can help you enhance the performance of your device and streamline your computing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment below with your favorite computer joke. Until next time, happy computing!